Anoushay Abbasi. Today we're at the Heritage, the latest property by the one and only Zulfiqar Paracha, who's been making homes for over 4 decades. Paracha is known for creating homes that are grand in vision, yet deeply intimate and personal. And I'm here to experience exactly that with Team Mashion. So come on in. Honestly, grand, royal, timeless. As you walk in, you feel the scale of the space, but it still feels welcoming. There's a beautiful Moroccan heritage influence here, and you see it in the arches, इसकी texture, इसकी detailing. For me, home needs to feel connected and thoughtful. We're big eaters, we love hosting big dinners, and so I want to take you in this dining area. Look how beautiful! I want to go to the pool area so bad. Oh my god, the kitchen is beautiful. Guys, you'll have to give me a moment here. I love how you have the whole counter space, the sink space, so empty, so minimalistic, but useful at the same time. Okay, are we ready to make the coffee? I love how the kitchen and the lounge area is connected. I love waking up and coming to the lounge, especially with the pool view. I'm all in. I love walking up and down the house, but I don't do it nicely like I am right now. I run down and I run upstairs. I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom now. Whoa. This is beautiful. These lights are complementing the bed, and the whole thing goes with the wallpaper. Gorgeous. And a coffee machine inside my room on the table is the best thing. Walk-in closet. सब कुछ फिट हो सकता है यहाँ. मेरे शूट के कपड़े, मेरे घर पे पहनने वाले कपड़े, मेरा बैग कलेक्शन. Let's go see the balcony. The balcony is beautiful. Dream come true, honestly. I love this. It's beautiful. And I love how you get views from all the windows. On the left, you can see the plants. On the right, you can see the pool. There's another lounge here that I want to show you guys. I want to quickly see the other room, but before that, I want to show you the highlight of the house, which is this area. This room has a completely different vibe. You saw the wallpaper in the other room? Look at this wallpaper. I'm going to show you guys the coolest thing about the house. This is connected to a smart home. You can control all the lights, mood light कर सकते हैं, और best बात ये है कि ये पूरे घर में हर जगह available है. All these panels. The entertainment is in the basement. The gym is on the right side. There's the 4th kitchenette here. The powder room looks so nice. The door is beautiful. The tiles they put here, so nice. And I saved the surprise for the last. This is the room that you can have your friends in, have a movie night, chill with your fam. And the TV console is also minimal. There's a shelf here. I love to put my family pictures everywhere in the house. And this wall is stunning. Look at the texture of it. You know how we saw the whole house and every wall has something going on? I really, really like this. I think a small one. I love making things prettier. I love to make disco balls. I don't buy a already जैसे बनी हुई disco ball होती है. I like to buy the shishas. I like to buy the glue. I like to make them. Make my own life happier. Keep less people in my life. Keep important people in my life. Spend more time with the family. Tiramisu frappe. This was easy. I think I would buy frames and put all my pictures in it and place them all over the house. A difficult one because I love motia and I love roses and I love sunflowers, I love tulips, I love daisies. I don't know where to stop. I love flowers generally.
Perfect. That's the end of our rapid fire.
Yay, did I win? Will I get 10 points? Clearly, this is my favorite spot of the house. I love the pool area. I love how you can look at the pool from all the windows in the house. The tree was the highlight, as I told you. I love how you see all the textures and it's minimalistic, but it's not too minimalistic. Like you see the arches, the square windows. Everything in one place is something you don't get everywhere. And I love that for myself. This is the heritage.